wondering if I'ma ever blow. Middle ground, tearing at the fabric of my soul. Middle ground, feeling like I'm stuck up in a hole, and these insecurities follow everywhere I go. Middle ground, feeling like I'm barely getting by.
Alright, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today, what we got going on are a set of two-tone rims. We're actually only doing two of them because they're my wheels again. I actually needed new tires, so I was like, you know what, instead of mounting them, getting new tires and having to unmount them, repowder coat them, doing all that, I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go ahead and powder coat them now since I need new tires. So we're only doing two of them, and if I like the way they come out, we'll do the other two. If not, we're gonna pick a different color. So right now, we're gonna go ahead, put you guys on the tripod, put you on the sandblaster. You already know the deal. Powder coat these things, two-tone them, show you guys how we do that. Even though we already have a video way down there somewhere, but we're gonna do it again. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into this video, baby. All right, so these have been here for about 20 minutes. So we're gonna go ahead and take them out. Put them in the rinse tank and then wash them off. Before we go ahead and throw these in the sandblaster, just gonna take out this little bit of curb rash real quick. You know, using the DA. I'm not gonna put you on the sandblaster. I'm not gonna put you on the tripod and show y'all me doing this because you already know the deal. But get back to y'all whenever this is fixed. See, we took the curb rash out, so that way whenever it's powder coated and the wheels mounted, you won't even be able to tell. There is this tiny little piece left that I actually don't want to mess with because it's going into the rim, and if we flatten it out anymore, don't want to risk it like taking away from the shape of the rim. So let's go sandblast these things. Alright, we went ahead and laid the first layer on those lug nuts. We wanted to be sure to not lay them too thick because there is going to be a second layer and you want to be able to put these things back on. But as you can tell, we didn't plug the ends, so we're going to get our handy dandy little air compressor. One with like a sensitive nozzle, so you can, like, you know, go in there carefully with it. We're going to go in there and spray the powder out of the threads so that way we can put them back on. Guys, I actually didn't want to bore y'all on this part, so I didn't record it, but y'all already know the deal. The first stage laid down. Let's go ahead and throw this thing in the oven, pull it out, and then we can get to the good part.
Stop being driven by rewards. Stop being driven by outcomes. Stop being driven by, if I get this, I'm going to do this. Just work. And if you don't get what you thought you were going to get, show up and still go to work. Because along the process, what's more important, what you acquire or who you become?
Yeah, that's big.
And a lot of people think what they acquire is the thing that makes them who they are. No, it's who you become in the process of chasing what you want to acquire.
These things came out sick. I like how they're so subtle. From far away, they just look gray. Whenever you get up close, oh, you can tell somebody did their thing on those. Alright guys, that's pretty much the end of it for this one. Until next time, please remember, like, comment, subscribe. Run on over to supremepcoating.com. Buy anything on the website, automatically get entered in for a chance to win you guys some free cash. Until next time, peace.
Hang around killers with racks on me. I done made me some plays and put tax on it. It feel good to come all the way back from it. When you up, they gon' say that you act funny.